Hi guys. So if you're someone who's planning to move from their current role to a business analyst role, then this video is for you. In this video, we'll talk about the top 5 fears people have when they move into a business analyst role. We will also explore the zero tech business analysis model, which has helped me as well as my students build successful careers in business analysis in less than 60 days. So before we get started, subscribe to our channel and hit the notification button so that you can receive all future videos from me. Hi, this is Sajna Binil and welcome to the Business Analysis Guide. So what are the top 5 fears people have when they move to a business analyst role? Fear number 1, it might be a technical role. I don't have programming or coding experience. Fear number 2, I do not have domain knowledge. So I don't think I'll be able to work as a BA. Fear number 3, I don't have prior experience in IT. So I don't think any organization will hire me as a BA. Fear number 4, will my previous experience be counted in a business analyst role? Fear number 5, will I experience a pay cut if I move into a business analyst role? So these are the top 5 fears people have while moving into a business analyst role, but not anymore. Using the zero tech business analysis model, you can easily migrate into a BA's role in less than 60 days. And how is it possible? I'm going to tell you right now. The zero tech business analysis model is an in-house framework that we have developed to help non-techies easily migrate into a business analyst role. So it's built on the functional business analysis frameworks and makes use of several templates, formulas, and frameworks to simplify business analysis tasks, which means we remove all the technicalities out of business analysis and make you a fully qualified and certified requirement BA. At Interactive Learning Solutions, we have Business Analysis Hub, which is the fastest growing community of business analysts. In this community, we are constantly researching and developing new formulas, templates, and strategies to simplify business analysis tasks. Here, take a look at our Business Analysis Hub, where hundreds of business analysts are using our formulas, templates to work on their projects. So business analysts use a 5WZ formula for need assessment. They use a requirement solicitation template for gathering requirements. They use user story templates for quickly writing user stories. And there is a template for BRD, FRD, UAT plan, UAT test cases, and much, much more. There are more than 15 odd templates that you can download and use directly in your projects. So if you would like to learn how to gather requirements effectively, how to analyze and document it in an appropriate manner, then click on the link in the description box and enroll for our upcoming requirement class. Now take a look at some of our students who have moved from non-technical roles into business analyst role using this formula.
Hi friends, I'm Ashok. Yeah, previously I was working with Standard Chartered Bank as a banker, and I decided to move my career towards business analysis because I just want to apply my domain knowledge in the field of information technology. So I've joined BA Masterclass program and I've undergone weekend trainings as well as projects and boot camps where I've learned a lot of tactics and knowledge areas of Babok, which really helped me to clear the interviews. And recently I've got an offer as a lead business analyst within my organization.
Myself Akshit Mistry. So I started my career in UX/UI designer, and then I thought to transit into business analyst role. So I joined BA Masterclass and worked on a project which helped me to learn the insight about how to drive a project from scratch to go live. It also helped me to clear interviews from various different domains. I am having about 3 years of experience working as a business analyst.
Everyone, I am Sumit Dhamapurkar and I am a certified business analyst. When I was training for my business analyst course, we were given group projects wherein the whole group was involved in gathering requirements, making process flows, that is the as-is and to-be flows using the Visio tools. We used to make up prototypes, make user stories, use cases. We used to have brainstorming sessions, role-playing sessions, and many other skills that I use as BA. This has really helped me to reshape my career in a BA.